All right, well, we went ahead and stripped the gas tank off of this guy, and our mission is going to be figuring out why the stator is missing. It looks like we got right here, you guys can see the last time I left off on the video for this bike, it is in need of what appears to be a missing stator because the wiring is flat out missing for it. Got wire to the kill switch here for the kickstand, but there's doesn't appear to have any wiring coming off for the stator, and that's where I'm concerned more than anything is that. One thing to note on this V Star 650 is just how wonky and loose this shifter is. I've never really been a big fan of these, but I mean, you see it's making contact with the little crash bar, so that's no bueno. I'm not sure who was the design on this guy for this or for this, but I mean, there's really not much. It's barely moving down here, and look at all the play. Look at all the play in the factory design. And this is just unacceptable in my opinion, but I don't know. I'm usually working on the Shadow VT750 DCs. I'm a big Honda guy. I can't say I'm a big fan of these V Stars, just because I don't really have any experience with them. I have disassembled and restored probably 4 to 5 different Honda Shadow 750s and a couple of the 1100 models. I know that there is a 1100 model with this V Star configuration as well, but no, I was trying to get rid of this project, put it up online, had a bunch of offers, but nobody was willing to give me what I paid for this guy. So that being said, I'm gonna have to follow through and make some time this weekend to pull off that engine side cover and actually see what's going on with the stator. Then we'll go ahead and pull the carburetors. We'll get those dismantled, broken down. We'll soak them with some penetrating oil, get them all cleaned out and blown out. We'll get our wire brushes going on the main jet and the pilot jets, and hopefully we can get this thing running. It has it turns over just fine. I put the new battery in it. Being lazy, that's an easy thing to toss in. And I ordered the missing intake coupler, or I guess it's really the intake tubing that connects to the it's technically not the intake manifold from the carburetors to the cylinders. It's just the intake tubing ductwork that actually comes up and wraps around on top of the carbs. I've got that sitting on my workbench in there, but no, I'm gonna go ahead and do some time lapses of us cleaning this thing up. Hopefully you guys that have been waiting and being patient will follow along, but this 2007 V Star 650 definitely needs some loving, and I think we can get it going. I don't know, what do you guys think? Can we get this thing fixed up? Woola, what do you think, girl? Do you think we can get it fixed? Maybe. Well, I'll leave it at that, guys. Appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up if you can. If you haven't subscribed already, if you haven't, please subscribe and give us some love and support. And Woola girl, appreciate you too, don't you? Yes.